She used to be seen as morality personified. Now Aung San Suu Kyi is defending her country against the most serious charge there is: genocide. The case being heard at the UN's top court was brought by Gambia on behalf of the Muslim world. The accusation is that through the torching of villages, mass murder and rape, the Myanmar military was guilty of the intentional destruction of a people, the Rohingya. A UN fact-finding mission concluded that the gravest crimes under international law had been committed. It's rare to see a Nobel Peace Laureate mount a defense in such a matter.
Regrettably, the Gambia has placed before the court an incomplete and misleading factual picture.
Almost 750,000 Rohingya were forced to flee Myanmar, and most still languish in neighbouring Bangladesh today. Ms. Suu Kyi acknowledged that crimes may have been committed.
It cannot be ruled out that disproportionate force was used by members of the defence services, in some cases in disregard of international humanitarian law.
But her argument is that Myanmar's military were fighting Rohingya terrorists.
Surely, under the circumstances, genocidal intent cannot be the only hypothesis.
In this capacity, she was also standing up for the same army that held her under house arrest for 15 years. When she was freed, none of us present imagined this beacon of human rights would go on to downplay the persecution of a minority in her own country. This may explain why she's doing it, a show of support for her this week in Yangon. These people from the Buddhist majority will determine the outcome of next year's general election and most hate the Rohingya. She may also believe she can convince the court that genocide did not happen. She's already been convincing enough to be the recipient of the world's greatest peace prize. Now she, just as much as her country, is facing the world's verdict once more. John Irvine, News at 10.